Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can make $100 per day profit trading cryptocurrency using my strategy. I mean $100 every day. Like, imagine making $100 every single day using this strategy, and guess what? It is very easy and simple. I make tons of money using this strategy, about $100, $200, $1,000 and so on. And also in this very video I'll be making a live trade to prove that this strategy actually works and make at least $100 profit on just one single trade, guys. So you can make money. As you can see, I've made over $600 right here. And hold on, guys, if you really want me to make a live trade, like live proof to show that this strategy actually works, pause this video right now and go down the comment section and type I want to make $100 per day. Also like the video and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive the best updates on cryptocurrencies. One more thing, guys, this video is for everybody. Even if you're new to crypto, you can still use this strategy and earn for yourself. However, towards the end of the video, I'll be putting in a trick I used as a beginner in crypto to make at least a $200 profit in a week. So keep on watching this video and do not miss out. So the website actually we'll be talking about today is the Binance website, and the Binance website is a cryptocurrency website. It is a website where you can buy and trade and hold about 350 cryptocurrencies and more. We all know about the Binance website. To get into this website, you'll find the link in the description of this video. Now, what are the benefits of using the Binance website to trade? The benefits there is, one, the coins listed here have so much liquidity, and two, they have very low transaction fee. The transaction fee on each trade is 0.1%. So it is so low. To sign up to this platform, simply tap on sign up with email, paste in your email address, your password, click on I have agreed to the Binance terms, service and privacy policy. Please do read up the privacy policy. Click on create personal account. Then you'll be sent a verification email. You can go in and check on the verification email. Here is mine. Copy it and paste it here. Then you're now set to verify account. Verifying account means adding details like your first name, your last name, date of birth, just all those private details about yourself, your residential address, your postal address, and also finally you'll be asked to put in either your BVN or your NIN for verification. So let's walk right into the verification of accounts right now. Okay guys, right now we're about to verify our account. To simply verify, click on verify here, then a dialog box pops up. Here you'll be directed to paste in some details like your name and other stuff like that. You'll be asked to paste in your first name, your second name, your last name, your date of birth. Then after that, you select your country of origin. It's very easy to verify your account. After setting up your country of origin, you paste in your residential address. Just follow up with the due process. Then at a point, you'll be asked to paste in your postal code. Let's say to get the postal code of your location, just simply come into Google, type in postal code of, add the name of your location. My name of my location is Lakey. Then you get the postal code. Then you can simply copy one of any of these postal codes. Let's copy this, and you go back to your account verification and you paste it where it should be pasted. Right now I'm already past that stage, so we're not going to go back there. So next, other very important thing you need to do when verifying your account is to add your bank verification number. Now this is a very secure site. They won't steal any of your information. The reason for adding your bank verification number is so that they can establish a connection with your bank, and also it helps in verifying that you are an actual human, and also for quick verification, maybe in situations of security or invasion of accounts. This bank verification number will really do very well to secure your account for you. You can as well verify yourself with your national identity number, but verifying yourself with your national identity number might take days, a week, or months for them to verify you. And imagine what you could have earned from those weeks lost. You understand? So simply paste in your bank verification number. Just click here, click on continue, paste in your bank verification number, click on I have read the Binance policy and continue. That's all. Okay guys, so right now we have successfully set up our account, and Here is my dashboard right now. As you can see, I've made over $600 using this strategy of mine, and we are going to make a live trade here in order to make a $100 profit right here and now. And I want you to like and subscribe to my channel. You get? So the coin we are going to be trading right now is the PHB, the Phoenix Global Coin. Actually, I've been following this cryptocurrency. I've been following this coin, and I've been following its trend, knowing the activities based on this coin, what they are doing, and things like that. And also, I've been following its market. Generally, I've been following the cryptocurrency market. So from analytics, I know the next coin that will pump, studying the 24-hour volume, the market cap, and the activities based on that coin actually. So if you need these signals and alerts to get the best cryptocurrencies to trade every day to make profit daily, weekly, or monthly, just sign in now to my telegram. Join my telegram channel. Just join my telegram channel right now. It is in the description of this video. You can as well contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram for instant direct updates. So in order for us to trade this volatile cryptocurrency known as the PHB, called the Phoenix Global, in order for us to trade this cryptocurrency called the PHB, we need a stable cryptocurrency called the BUSD. So we are actually trading the PHB to make a 10%, 20%, 30 or 100% profit. It all depends on the market and how the market favors your trade. So actually, now for us to trade cryptocurrency B, that is PHP, we need to first get cryptocurrency A, that is BUSD. So the thing here is, how do I get cryptocurrency A? In order for you to get cryptocurrency A, you need to buy this cryptocurrency A. So you need to get some BUSD into your wallet. If you need to buy this cryptocurrency, the BUSD, or any other cryptocurrency you ever want to buy, just contact and follow me on Instagram. You can contact me on Telegram, or you can contact me on WhatsApp for quick replies. I do buy and sell of all kinds of cryptocurrency for very cheap and affordable rates. You'll find my contact links in the description of this video. Okay, let us commence with our trade. So we are trading the PHP. Simply click on it and go over to its trading chart. So right now we are at the trading chart of PHB. As you can see, this price is 0.626. You can check out its activities, and you can also notice that the coin is currently dipping. So actually I can wait for this coin to dip, but for the sake of this video, and I really need to make $100 profit in this very video, so I'm going to just buy this cryptocurrency and set my limits immediately. In order for you to buy this cryptocurrency, first of all, you click on markets on the buy menu. Already you can see I have 601 BUSD. You set it to maximum and you click on buy and you wait for the order to be completed. So actually the order has been completed right now, and as you can see I have 998.56 PHB. So you can set your limits. Remember, I bought this at the price of 0.6278. So I want to now set my limit, my sell limit. Setting a limit is you telling the system that you want the system to automatically sell this coin for profit at this particular price. So actually you have set an order, and once it gets to this price, it sells automatically and you can take out your profit. So that is how I do mine. So you can simply paste in your limit price here, paste in the amount of PHB you want to sell. Me, I am selling all my PHB, and you can see I will get a profit of 818 BUSD. That is about a margin of $200 on my initial capital. So simply tap on sell PHB and wait for the order to complete. So that is it, guys. You have successfully bought this cryptocurrency. We have set our sell limit, and what you have to do now is to just relax, wait a couple of hours or a day or two, probably a week, for this trade to go through. Welcome back. Let's see how our trade went through. Good. So as you can see, guys, I have made $820.34 on this very trade. That's a difference of about $200 on my initial capital. That's like a 30% profit on just one single trade in less than, actually it took me about 2 days for me to complete this trade. Also, for those who might not have the time to trade cryptocurrency and earn, or might not still know how to trade and earn, you could sign up privately to my account management program. Here I trade cryptocurrency for people and I give them a fixed return every single month. So you can contact me now and simply sign up. So it's that simple, guys. If you need daily signals every day on the best coins to trade, just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel. We have over 5,000 active and interactive members. You can as well contact me privately on Instagram or WhatsApp for more inquiries, questions, and tutorials. I'll see you guys on the very next video.